Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Holbrook. Excited to do foundations with you today. For our warm-up, we are going to do it a little differently. We'll sing our vowels and we'll do our R controlled, and then we're going to do a little bit of echo find. Let's sing. Short vowel time. A apple, a. E ed, e. I itch, I. O octopus, ah. U AR car R. OR horn or. ER her IR bird UR burn Excellent. And today we're going to be working a lot on long vowels sounds, vowel consonant E. So let's just make sure that we all know these. A apple a safe A. E ed E P E. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U U mule U rule oo. Great job. All right, now for our echo finds. All right, I will say a sound. When baby echo looks at you, you repeat it, and then you find it. You can point to your screen without touching it. If you have magnet letters, you can point, and then just shout it out when you know what it is. All right. Point to, repeat after me, what says K? Good, you should be pointing to three things, C, K, and CK. What says sh? Very good, SH. What says ink? Good, INK. What says z? S and Z. Very good. What says w? Two things here. W and WH. Good. Let's try another. What says A? A in vowel consonant E words. What says V? Very good, that V. Okay, let's get ready to build some words now. Now, all the words that we'll do today are going to be blends and vowel consonant E. Let me show you an example. When it snows, we call each little piece a flake. Say flake. Tap it with me. Full, full. That's two sounds. A, k. So I hear 5 sounds in this word. Let's try to build it. A, tells me its name. Easy. That one is a K because it comes after an A. Now, what's going to make the A say its name? That's right, we need the E. This is a vowel consonant E syllable. So let's mark it up. To mark it, we scoop the syllable and we write vowel consonant E. We cross off our E and we put our macron over the A because it says its name. We can also mark the consonant blend, the FL. Can anyone think of any other words that start with the FL blend? Like flake? Good one. Flower. Flavor. Flick. Great. When we do blends, it's fun to think of other things that have the same blends. All right, everybody, let's clear the board and spell it away with me. F, L, A, K, E. Good. All right, here's your next word. Pride. When you're proud of yourself, you take pride in your work. Repeat after me. Pride. Tap it. P-r-I-d. Again, 5 sounds. Let's build it. Pause if you need to. I-d, d, d. and I need my E at the end to make the I say its name. Excellent, and now we mark it. Scoop the syllable. It's a vowel, consonant E, silent E, long I, and a consonant blend at the beginning. Pride. Let's tap it back and make sure we spelt it correctly. Pride. Pride. Looks good to me. All right, my friends, let's spell it away. P, R, that was our consonant blend. I, D, E. Great job. Here's your next word. Slide. S-O-I-D. Okay, go ahead and build it. Slide. Excellent. And to mark it, what do we do, everybody? Scoop the syllable, vowel consonant E, silent E, long I, mark the blend. If anyone can make a good dance for this, I'd love to see it. Scoop the syllable, slash the E, mark the vowel, mark the blend. I don't know. Make it fun. Sometimes I know it can feel like we do the same thing over and over in foundations, but that's how it becomes part of our memory in our brain and helps us learn. Okay, who's ready for a new trick word? I have a new trick word for you today. Let's take a look. All right. There it is. Okay, so the new trick word is other. Can you find it in this sentence? It says, who is the other kid? Other. Yeah, do you hear that noisy TH sound? That means that this is other right here. All right, let's look closely at other. The noisy TH isn't tricky. ER, like her, that's not too tricky. The beginning's a little tricky. It sounds like it's a U, like up, but it's an O. All right, let's skywrite it together. Arms out. O, T, H, E, R. Other. If that one's tricky for you and you didn't know it, keep practicing it with your finger on your desk or write it on your paper. Okay, excellent. Okay, it's time for us to do a little bit of reading. Just scan your eyes over these words and tell me what you notice. Start with, I notice. Okay, I notice that too. I notice all of them have a consonant blend at the beginning. I notice all of them have an E at the end. What's that, Baby Echo?
I notice they're all vowel, consonant E, so they'll have long vowels that say their names.
Thank you, Baby Echo. Okay, who's ready to read them? So, our eyes and our brains have to always see the whole word to see that E at the end to let us know about the long vowel. All right, let's read these whole words. Here we go. Plain, plain, glide, glide, Blake, Blake, ice, price, oh wait, what, or, oh no, sometimes guys, W and R, when they're together, the W is silent, so this one isn't really a consonant blend, it just says right, right, and that's the kind of right, like I'm going to write you a letter. Snake, snake, drove, drove, swipe, swipe. Okay, let's try just tapping these ones in our head this time. We're on the third row. Skate, globe, flame, fluke, in the last row. Flute, smile, prune, broke. Great. These are excellent words to pause and keep practicing as many times as you need to. The goal is to definitely be able to read all 16 in under a minute, as fast and correctly as you can. And our last part for today, everybody, are some sentences that have vowel, consonant E words, and also blends. So I'm going to scoop these with my cursor as I read, and you can try to read and stay right along with me. The plane went very fast. The plane went very fast. Now I'll do it once more, and I want you to repeat it back. The plane went very fast. Good. Let's look at this next one. Will anything be tricky? Here's our word right here that has a blend. Snake, snake. And here's our other blend. This one has a short vowel. There's no E at the end, so it's going to say pond. Okay, let's try it. Did you see a snake in the pond? And there's a question mark at the end, so my voice has to go higher. Did you see a snake in the pond? You try. Okay, let's look at our next word. I see a trick word with a noisy TH. I see vowel, consonant E, short vowel. Oh, here's a blend. Fool with a vowel, consonant E, long U, and a blend. Best. Let's try it. They like the red flute best. They like the red flute best. They like the red flute best. You try. Great. And our last sentence today. It's another question, so I know my voice has to go up when I read it. Oh, I see vowel, consonant E, and I see a bonus letter with a short vowel. Do you write well? Do you write well? You try. And yes, I know you do write very well. Nice job practicing, everybody. Keep up the hard work. And for fun today, when you're talking and looking at things, be on the lookout for things that have a consonant blend, like grass I can see right now. And what else do I see with a consonant blend? Oh, a step up to a house out my window. Great job. Have a great day.